Hey guys, this is Mustafa. Today I'm going to teach y'all how to make a graph using Google Sheets. As you can see, my working title is up here, making a scatter plot on Google Sheets. And I have 2 columns worth of data. I have CO2 concentration in the first column, which is measured in parts per million, and I have stomata density, which is measured in centimeters squared. At the bottom, as you can see, I have already put in the average and standard deviation, which is done using functions. Now to get my graph, I have to highlight both columns worth of data, including the titles which will be used in the graph. I go up here into the insert and I go down to chart. Now in the chart menu, there's a lot of things I can do. I can first I have to choose which graph I'm going to use. I'm going to go down and use the different chart types. Now for my chart, I'm going to use scatterplot because it's the best one for my data. Now after I have chosen which chart type I'm going to use, I go to customization. Now here's when I can where I can change the title or the different headers. As you can see, my title is already put in from my 2 columns. The title is stomata density versus CO2 concentration. And here's my figure legend. You can remove the figure legend if you wish to by going down to where the figure legend is right here and having no figure legend, or if you want one, you can put in one. The horizontal and vertical titles are already put in from my columns, and as you can see, this is my data points, and there is a positive correlation, as you can see from here. That's what's good about scatter plots. They're very useful. You can change the titles through these right here. Mine are already put in. You can change the data points from the minimum and maximum, which will change your sizing. There's also grid lines if you'd like more grid lines. It increases the amount of grid lines that there are, which is very useful. There's also scaling, but we're not going to use that for our graph. And the most important is the trend line. It's very useful to see the trend between these 2 variables. And now we're going to, you can also change the color if you wish to, just to see it better. Now that everything's in, we also want to put in regression, the R2 value. It's very useful. And then we click insert, and there's our graph. We can also add in text later, or if you'd like to fix up any different parts of it, you just double click on it and go to the different customizations. And that is how you create a graph using Google Sheets. Thank you.